This arm was blind every time it moved. I spent 3 weeks blaming my code. It was never the code. Here's the answer up front. My camera sees the arm 400 milliseconds late. The servo moves 60 degrees a second. Multiply the arm flights 24 degrees past target before the stop command even arrives. Every single command. That's a blind spot. Hardware. You can't tune it out. Bang bang control. Guaranteed to oscillate. PID tuning. I tried for 3 weeks. Useless against the hardware delay. Quick, before I show off the fix. If the sensor is always 400 ms behind, when do you fire the stop? Think. Okay, stop thinking continuous. Think in pulses. Error 15 degrees, servo 60 degrees a second. Fire for exactly 250 milliseconds. Then stop. Wait 500 milliseconds. Longer than the lag. Let the arm coast and the camera catch up. Then re-evaluate. It converges. Each pulse tightens the error, not smoothen. But on 2014 hardware with a 400 millisecond eye, it holds. Then this. The moment it stops moving, the AI loses it. Detection drops from 95% to 50%. I trained it on a moving arm. It never saw a still one. So now I have to accuracy number the never had before. And the eye that goes blind right when I need it. Fine-tune the mode is the next. Subscribe if you want to see whether the fixes of blind spot is possible or is it another problem, or just moves it.